Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, we're going to be doing a craft with me video in which I make a card. It is a dimensional card, as you can see here, using the new Spellbinders release. And if you're interested in any of the products that you see in this video, I will leave you with my affiliate links in the description area down below. And as always, please remember to subscribe, comment, and thumbs up my video so that I know that you're interested in videos such as these. Enjoy the process. Okay guys, let me show you real quick. The embossing folder of the month is this one right here. Okay, and I'm going to show you real quick see, this is the embossing folder for September 2022, and my link is down below. And this is what I made with it. Okay, this is what I made with it. It's a really cute card. Okay, and I also Becca Feekin, her die for the month is this one. Okay, September 2022 is this one. Really cute. And this is what I made with it. It's a bubblegum machine. So I made a bubblegum machine embellishment. Isn't it cute? See how dimensional I made it? And this is one of those dies that you get to make it like como se dice, decoration. You know, it's 3D, or you can turn it into a box. So let me show you like what I mean by it. Like this. See, this is also from Becca Feekin. See how I did this? This is a decoration, and I kept it for my craft room. You make several layers, and I just lay it on my, you know, it's really cute. So that's what these are for, to make this. Okay, so what I wanted to do was I want to use my embossing folder for this month to emboss this packaging, because I want to use it. Now, let me think. I want to use it this way. Yes, I want to use it that way. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, now for the embossing folder, this has to come out. Okay, say bye-bye to that. And I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to do this. Okay. See that? Isn't that gorgeous? This is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go and do the mat for this one, which is going to be 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. And here. And here. And like so. Okay. I'm going to go like so. Like so. Okay. That's the first layer. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to see where I have kind of like a blank space here. I'm going to go ahead and trim off some of that and see how it goes. Okay, better, right? So now, let's go ahead and stick this on there. These you can find at Amazon, you can find it at Scrapbook, you can find it at Hobby Lobby even sells. I saw these at Hobby Lobby. They had 2 different sizes. You know, that's something that you might want to check out this weekend if you're there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my best to try and center this here. And I kind of want to go around, because when I add the shakers, I'm going to try not to get them stuck in here, you know. get them to go under. Okay, so we're gonna go like this, okay? This is gonna go on top like so. Now, the shakers that I'm gonna use are from Spellbinders, and let me just point them out to you. I have 2 separate shakers that Spellbinders has sent me, and let me show you the packaging. And you can click on my affiliate link and put, okay, this one is called Peach. It looks beige or brown tan, but it's called the Peach Opalescent. And this is a stock number to it, and I would appreciate if you were to use my affiliate link so that I can make a slight commission off of it. And this color is called Pink Opalescent. It's more of a pastel pink, and this is a stock number to it. You will look for that stock number when you land on Spellbinders if you're interested in these. And this is my hand, and this is how big the packaging is. Okay, so this is what you get. Okay, so let me get that out of the way. Now what I'm gonna do is spill some of these here, and I'm also going to excuse me, spill some of these here, okay? Like that. And because I have a nice looking dome, I can actually put a little bit extra. Okay, there we go. Now, let me get the cat fur off of it. Cat fur. Okay, there, wiped it off. And this is gonna go just like that. Let me, okay, good. So this is a sticker. See that? And for good measure, I'm gonna go ahead and add, it already has double-sided tape on it, but you know what? You know me, I'm gonna just add a little bit throughout, not too much, because I don't want it to show, even though it's supposed to dry invisible, but you know what I mean. I don't want to make a big mess. Okay, so now I'm going to try to center this as best as I can. And just press it with my bone folder. Just like that. Make sure it's adhered real well. And now, I'm going to put this on here, guys. Hang on a second. Let me look at something. Woohoo! Yes! Okay. I need to use my, excuse me, this. Alrighty, because I'm old thumbs. Kind of like go like this. See, paper crafting is so much fun. I love it. I love it, you know. And so what if it's taken me 2 hours to make 3 cards? Okay, I'm gonna need to put it closer to me, guys. I'm sorry if I'm off frame, but I really need to see what I'm doing here. And what I'm doing here is I'm making sure that I'm aligning it on the edge of the pink circle. Okay? And once again, there we go. Just like that. Oh my gosh, I am so loving this. I love this. I'm loving the results. I'm loving the results already. What do you think? Yeah. I am loving the results. I'm sorry if I'm not answering y'all in the chat. It's like I have to squint my eyes to see who's saying what. Okay. Thank you. You sound better. Thank you, Elizabeth. Yeah, I do get tired though. Okay. So let me do this. Remember, these are stickers, the chipboard. Okay. And I know that I want to use some of this. Right along there. Just little dots, you know. And I always like to do this like, kind of like, how do you call it? Not center it, kind of like be off to the side. But once again, I'm going to bring it near me, okay? Because I want it to be just right. Oh my gosh. I love this. Oh my word, look at this. Oh my goodness, it worked. It worked. Oh my gosh. We can do it like this, like we can do it like this, but because this, the direction of this is vertical, although I think you could also go like this. No, but we're gonna keep it vertical. Okay, look at this. This is a ruler. It matches the whole sewing thing and everything, but this is from last month's kit. This is from August's kit, card kit of the month. It is not included in the September 2022 card kit of the month, but I'm still going to use it because I like it. Oh my gosh. I just saw something. Should I use this? And then like this. Oh my gosh, let's do this. Yes. What do you think? What do y'all say? Look at that. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to split a couple of these. Okay? Because I want one here, one here, one here, and one here. They're the same height, just different size, size, but the same dimension, I should say. This is gonna go here like this, okay? Okay. And also, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my heating gun to heat up because I do want to use it. I'm getting stuck all over here. Okay, this is good. This is going to go like this. Look what I found. Do what you love. So happy for you today. Oh my gosh. Okay, hang on a second. Let me take a look at something real quick. I can do that here. I can put this here. And I can put this up here. Yes, 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 yes. We're going to do that. Okay? We are going to do that. This one says, so happy for you. Remember what I said about gluing on cardstock? Because this paper's thick. So I'm okay with that. Okay, let's put this in this corner, just trying to get it. Excuse me, I'm just checking to see if it's straight. Yes, it's straight. Okay? And now we are going to use this on top of this. Why not, you know? And sometimes I don't pull it right, and I wind up pulling this off, so I have to go in and kind of like, you know, glue it back on, but it's okay. And now I'm gonna just do a line here, just one little line there. And I'm gonna go off center, okay? Off center a little bit, because not everything has to be matchy-matchy. We have to make it interesting to the eye. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm going to go here. Here. Whoops. And this is going to stick very well to it. I'm going to bring it closer to me. And this is going to go like so. And like so. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty! Look at that! Okay, so now, one last finishing touch. And then I'm gonna let y'all go so that you can do your own thing. Finishing touch. Is that too big? No? Maybe? I don't know. What do y'all think? Is it ginormous? Or this one? Yeah, that one's more delicate. This is a little bit, in Spanish we say tosco. You know, a little bit big for it. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to use a very scientific tool here. Okay, so hopefully this is warm enough. Look at my handshakes. And this is going to go right on there. Yeah. Let's get rid of the icky stuff. Look at that, how pretty. And we're gonna put it right there. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. And there we go. And I'm done. I am done. What do y'all think of this card? Look at that. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put some cards in my website for sale. Probably these two. I don't know yet. And I'll make like a set. I'll try to do a box and everything for it, but I love it. I love peach, and I love peachy pink colors. I love this. And so, yeah, thank you for joining me. I will be taking pictures of these, and I think I will upload them on my website in a blog post and also for sale. Thank you all so very much for joining me. I love y'all so very much, and have a wonderful holiday weekend, okay? Bye, y'all. See you soon. Bye.